Good evening, beauty. I just want to take you guys along this evening to show you guys how I do my skincare routine in the night when I'm about to go to bed. It's just quite simple skincare routine, which I don't use much, especially those days if I don't go anywhere. I just been at home for all day, and this skincare routine is quite simple, and it's also good for beginners, and also is friendly budget. It's on budget. I don't want to take too much of your time. Let's start and see what am I doing on my face. Like I said, it's a simple skincare routine. I'm starting here with CeraVe, which is a gentle cleanser, and it's very good for people who has like dry skin or sensitive skin. Because I have sensitive skin and dry skin, I always make sure I'm using something is gentle on my skin, and also something is helping my skin barrier. And I don't want to use something that's going to destroy my skin barrier. I like this. I always make sure I have something gentle on my face. And also I like to take time to wash my face, like to rub my face to remove the dirty side. And I make sure I spend even 1 to 2 minutes still rubbing it until I feel like my face is clean. Then I'll rinse it off with cold water. Because I didn't wear makeup today. I was just at home. Like I said, I was just at home all day. It's just a simple skincare routine. I don't have makeup. Usually when I have makeup, I do double clean. Here my face is washed and dry. Now it's clean. Now I'm processing to the toner. See, this is the toner I'm using. You can use it, and I like to, it's quite white, like you can see. Using a cotton, or since I've been using this toner, it's quite calming and gentle on my skin, and it's very good. It's really helping my skin, especially when I had a little pimples and breakup. It's really clearing and making my skin to glow. Yeah, it's quite good toner, simple. Step 3 is the ampoule. After the toner, I always use the ampoule or serum, but this is ampoule from Atomy, and it's very good. It's calming and gentle on the skin, especially for sensitive skin. This toner is this ampoule. It's very good, and since I've been using those products from the Korean product, the brand from Atomy, I can see a change on my skin. My skin, every time I use it, I feel the glow. Bring the glow, my skin to glow more, and leave my skin very soft. This ampoule is so good. Yes, after the serum, the ampoule, I'm using the CeraVe cream. As all of us can see, it's a very good cream. Since I've been using it on my face, I can see a big difference on my skin. Like since I've been using CeraVe product and this Atomy Korean skincare, I can see a big change on my skin. Like I really like the way it look like after I do my skin. I'll show you the video. You guys will see, because my camera was playing up. I just have to record it as when I was doing my skincare, the battery went off. Yeah, this is the cream after using, and I hope so you like this video, and thank you. I hope so you like this video. And thank you for watching. Show me some love by liking, by subscribing this video, and yeah, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok with Arabelle65 and Van Beauty as well. I'll see you to the next video. Love you. Give you a hug. Bye.